Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ben here, and today I just wanted to real quick unbox my sky blue S22 Ultra. It just came in the mail. There it is. Look at that box. It's got the different colored S on there. It's got the red, the graphite, and the sky blue. Here it is. Look at that. Is that cool or what? Sky blue. Let's check out the S Pen. Hope the S Pen is rubber like the... Oh, it is. It is. Oh man. This is too cool. Samsung really killed it this year. Look at that. It's rubberized just like the one on the regular, or not the regular, but the burgundy S22 Ultra that I'm currently filming with. Wow. So cool. That blue is crazy. I like the black, the way the border or the sides is black. Oh, and the rings around the camera are silver. This is cool. This is a nice touch. Wow. I love it. Samsung really killed it this year. There's another look at the S Pen. Sky blue. The reason I got sky blue is because I figured, you know, I've got 20,000 phones and every one of them is black. I hate the black. I'm so glad Samsung did that this year, where they let you choose the color, you know. They actually let you choose what color you wanted. And this one is a 256 gigabytes of storage because it was cheaper. Boy, that's nice. I really like it. Keep it up, Samsung. Anyway, I just wanted to make this video real quick to show you guys what it looked like. And I'll be doing a couple more videos on the S22 Ultra. Just a full review and a couple of updates on them. But this is nice. I really like this. Talk to you guys later. Bye.